besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. I have a little-ish Temu haul. I'm assuming it's kind of little. All in one bag though, so this all was Temu free shipping, no local warehouse. So yeah, I don't know what's in here. I've had it kind of sitting upstairs. I think there's a couple clothing items, but honestly, I'm just not real sure what's in here. So I will leave my coupon codes and my number. Is there a coupon code for Temu? I guess there is. I'm going to leave all that below. I am an affiliate. I am an influencer. I like Temu. I don't think there's anything wrong with being an influencer or an affiliate, especially as much money as I spend on there. So yeah, I always feel like there's sometimes I'll hear people say, I am not an affiliate, I'm not an influencer. It's like, okay, I mean, that's fine. It doesn't make you a bad person if you are one, because, you know, it's hard to make money these days and we all need extra money. And not that I get paid from Temu, because I don't. So I buy this stuff with my own money. So I just like to be able to have coupon codes for you guys, or, you know, if I can save you guys a few bucks, that's why I do the things that I do. If I do a product review, I'm doing that because I want to be able to give you a coupon code and have you save money. That's why I do those things. So if you're out there and you do a YouTube video, just know that, you know, you'll pass savings on to your subscribers if you do those reviews and you have a coupon code, and maybe they're interested in that. Like yesterday I had that hat fall wig and I think there's a 10% off with my code. So I do those things so I can pass the savings on to you guys. So and not for me. It's not for me at all. All right, let's just get right into this. If there's definitely some clothing items, so I will put up a picture of the clothing items. Let me like kind of scooch, because I'm going to leave like this area for the clothing, because I did buy a couple pieces of clothing. This is the first item. Oh, no wonder I can't see. I don't have my glasses on. Okay, I got this in a size 3XL. Sometimes their sizing is weird on Temu. Kind of like Shein. You make sure you read the measurements. Know your measurements. Honestly, I need to retake my measurements. I think I'm going to do that today. And just see, you know, because a lot of times I'll buy stuff and it doesn't fit right. And I hate sending things back. So let's see what this is. Oh, well, this is like a silky. I thought this would be fun. It's like a silky gray shirt. Do you guys remember when like silk was like the cool thing back in the 90s? I'm like, let's bring it back, sis. So I love that it has like these big billowy arms. This might be a little bit too big for me, but I think I can rock it even though it's big. We're going to try. So it's got these big, long, kind of billowy arms that like stretch at the cuff, which is great. And then it's got like a V-neck, and you can tie it if you want. This is really nice. This is really nice. I will show you guys a picture of what it looks like on the model living her best life. But I think it could be really pretty with some accessories. I think you can dress this up daytime, nighttime, you know. I think it's cute. I really like it. I love the color. I know it was in different colors. If they have this in a blue, like a turquoise blue, and it fits and looks decent, I think I'm going to get another one. Oh, I will also put the prices up on the screen, because I didn't price these. I totally forgot about that. So the prices will be on the screen of the items. Okay, guys? So yeah, I like that. I like the looks of that. Okay, I don't know why I didn't price these. What was I thinking? Okay, this is, I think, a little kimono. I also got it in a 3XL. I do like my kimonos to be, like, kind of big on me. This is really nice. It feels real nice and soft. I don't know about the print, but, I mean, it's pink. It's cute, you know. I will also put a picture up of it. It's got some, like, pink and green kind of floral. I love that the arms are, like, wide. It's really pretty though. Very feminine. Very soft. I think Jody would like this. Over at Jody's Cozy Cottage. She likes kimonos too. This would be really pretty on her, and I think she likes pink too. So if you haven't seen Jody's channel, please go check her out. It's Jody's Cozy Cottage. I will link it down below. But this is really pretty. I like that. That's really cute. Love. Hopefully, I mean, kimonos kind of, they usually will fit either way. You know what I mean? Okay, let's see. I got another clothing item. This looks like a sweatshirt. of some kind. Maybe. Maybe a 3-pack of something. I got these in a 4XL. It says mixed color. These might be a 3-pack of like tank tops. I also like my tank tops and t-shirts to be kind of big. Yeah, it's tank tops. Okay, is there anything special about these? Oh, they sheer up the side. So again, I'll put a picture up. So you get a black one. And then on the side, see how it's like shears right there, which I thought would be kind of, what's the word? Kind of, I think when they shear like this on the side, it looks, help me out, sis. It makes you look better. What's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. Menopause brain fog kicking in. But they all have that shearing on the side. These came in other colors too. So you get the black, the gray, with the shearing on the side. And then you get this tan color. I probably could have sized down in these, but they're cute. I'll wear them anyways. I always like to wear tank tops underneath my kimonos. So any of these would actually be kind of cute under that kimono. So hopefully they fit. I always think they're not going to fit, but they do. And these are pretty stretchy. Like, the fabric feels really good on them. Let's see if it says, I mean, it feels cottony, actually, which is kind of nice. Let me see if there's a tag in here somewhere. Okay. It says 60% polyester, 35% rayon, and 5% spandex. So, yeah, they feel really nice. They're not, like, super polyester-y. They actually kind of feel like cotton, sort of. But they shouldn't shrink, right? So that's kind of nice. Kermit's down here looking at my stuff. I'm starting to think this is all clothes. Let's pull out another clothing item. Okay, this looks like, I've bought several of these kimonos. They're really nice in winter or summer or fall or spring. They're very versatile. I actually got a size smaller. I think I was getting like 3X or 4X, but I got a 2X because to me they run like a little bit big, and I don't know what I was thinking though, because what if I wash it and it shrinks? Oh well, anyway. I love the waffle knit texture to it. It's like a waffle knit texture. And it's just like a really big cozy kimono. If anything, okay, so if you ever watch Heather Otis, she has what she calls her nighttime cardigan, and I have several of those as well. But it's just a big cardigan with some long sleeves. Really pretty. I like this color. I think it would look pretty on me. So that's another winter chicken dinner. Because like I said, I bought several of those. But I remember I was buying them in larger sizes. And I'm like, I don't need them this big. So I sized it down with these. Also, I'll make sure all the links to all these products are down below in case you want to check them out. Okay, then I got this really cute headband. I saw Lori over at the Loving Klutzes. She had one. She was wearing one and it looked so stinking cute. I'm like, girl, I need the link to that. So she sent me the link. She was kind enough to send me the link, and I bought one because she just looked super adorable with it on. And you know me, I love these like little clovers, and you can position these like there's wire in here, so you can position these however you want. You know, like you can do however you want to do it. You know. So I think that's kind of nice. And then it's got these really cool like clovers on the sides. Super cute. I love this. I love this. I don't really want to put it on because I have a wig on, but it's going to look super cute like on even, I'm thinking I could wear it with my wigs that, you know, I don't know. I just think it's really cute. To me, it looked really bougie on her. So I was like, heck yeah, I'm going to get one of those. And this came in different colors as well. I think there's like a white one. I don't want to wear it like Mickey Mouse ears like that. I'll have to see how she wore hers because it looked really cute. It looked stinking adorable however she had it. So I'm going to go back and look at her video and see. So I will leave her channel below too. Kermit's getting into my Temu stuff. So again, I got that link from Lori at the Loving Klutzes. So I'll make sure to link her channel below so you can check her out. And then this says 3XL, black. What is this? I think this is a pair of leggings. Yeah, it's a pair of leggings, but they've got this super duper stretch to them. Like, that looks like a skinny little leg there. But it's got the butt. It's got the butt. It's supposed to make your butt look good right there. Now, honey, it would take a lot of ruching. It'd take a lot of ruching to make this butt look presentable, okay? But I love it. I hope it fits. Because I think this would be fun to wear, like, just in the, under a cardigan with, like, a tank top or something, you know what I mean? And then have some leggings and, like, boots. I'm so ready for fall, you guys. I'm so ready for fall. I'm gonna be getting a bunch of Temu faux greenery to redo the porch outside because I want to just make it the coziest porch ever in the history of ever, okay? And that's what we're going for. And then I'm hoping I can do some live chats out there, like once it cools down and everything. So yeah, I kind of want to chat with you guys. So all right, so then I got this necklace. It looks kind of like Navajo pearls. It's not, but it looks kind of like it. They're obviously like plastic beads, but they look like silver. Kermit is really getting into stuff. It's very, oh wait, no. I was gonna say it's really long. No, here's where it claspices like that. Look how cute it would look with my turquoise. Lovely, lovely. But they look like Navajo pearls, kind of. Really cute. I mean, for what I paid for it, I'm sure, you know. Like I said, all the prices will be on the screen, but wait, I'm holding it wrong. There we go. No. Wait. What's going on here? Oh, I don't know. Okay, there it goes. It's kind of like in a weird position, but that's what it would look like on. So yeah, I really like that. I really like that. It looks silvery. I mean, it looks like it would be like silver, you know, but it's not. It's acrylic. Definitely plasticky, but super cute. I love that. That's going on my jewelry stand, which, by the way, fell off the wall yesterday because I have so much jewelry already. Also, I have some Whatnot sales coming up, beauty and jewelry, so I'll leave my Whatnot channel down below if you guys want to follow me there and buy some of my purge. I would love it if you did that. All right, last item. Looks like a top of some kind. I got it in a, does it say what size? 3XL, I think. Kermit, what are you into over there? Ooh, oh, these are panties. Oh my gosh, should I show them? I don't know about showing my... Okay, men, look away, okay? You guys, I'm so into the granty panty, okay? I thought these would be not only comfy, but pretty because they have the big, wide, stretchy lace at the top. Okay, and then the back looks like this. I can't believe I'm showing my underwear on TV. Oh well, here we are. You get a pink pair. These look huge too, and I'm so embarrassed. You get the lilac pair. Don't be embarrassed, Jen. Tan, and then 2 black. So I just wanted them because I thought they would, like, you know, I feel like the lace panel would kind of, they look too big for me. I'll be quite honest with you, but we're going to try them anyway. You know, I mean, why not? And I did get some, do you guys ever hear of Revenge Body? I ordered some of their stuff too, and they're always like, order like 2 sizes down. And I ordered like a medium, and I'm like, there's no way I'm fitting into this stuff. But they say that's the way it's like supposed to look, so I don't know. If you guys want to know about the Revenge Body, which that was like a, you know how you like see stuff on Facebook and TikTok, and you're like, yeah, I probably should buy that. And yeah, I did it. I fell for it. So, you know, here we are. All right, everybody. That was my crazy underwear, clothing, weird haul. Hope you enjoyed seeing my splendies today. No, I'm just teasing you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. If you want any of these items, I will link them all down below. You can check them out. I will make sure I put all the prices up on the screen, and I will leave all the links in the description box and also in the comments section. So if you want to look at anything, check it out. All right. And yeah, I also, in my community tab, or maybe it's called posts or whatever, that's where I usually announce my giveaway winners. So check that out. They're both announced over there. So I need to send Billy out her gift card. I might email her and see if she wants a Visa gift card. That way you can spend it anywhere, right? Anyway, all right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.